It's a big jump from going from living in an apartment to owning a home, and one of the big differences is the maintenance. Now, there's a new company in Houston that is hoping to look after you when it comes to your home maintenance, and joining us now to discuss this is Jordan Domalis. Jordan, welcome to Houston Live.
Thank you so much for having us.
This is really cool. Tell us about Allied One. It's a brand new company. It's something no one's doing. What exactly are you doing to help people?
Yes, ma'am. So our company, we do preventative maintenance and home inspections that essentially encompass being able to help a homeowner in non-preventable and preventable disasters with fires, floods, hailstorm damages, tornadoes, being able to make sure that everything is documented for them. So if an event happens, they're covered.
Oh, wow. Okay, this is really cool. I mean, it sort of seems an obvious question, but why is home maintenance so important?
So there are a lot of things that as a homeowner you're responsible for, and the biggest thing is making sure your family feels safe, right? Preventative home maintenance is going to be something that allows you to be able to know you don't have to worry about fires, you don't have to worry about floods, pipe burst, electrical damages, anything like that, because if you take care of it on the day-to-day basis, you're not going to have to worry about long-term large disasters that are going to affect your home because you're taking and doing your due diligence to make sure your home's safe.
Right, so you're maintaining people's homes for them as they're living in the home before anything goes wrong.
100%. Before, after, and during. So any events that happen, you give us a call, you deal with one person in our company the entire time, and we handle the whole process.
Okay, so if someone does get a membership with you guys,
yes, ma'am,
what can they expect for the day-to-day maintenance of their home?
Of course. So we actually will start off by coming out and doing a full documentation of the structure of their home. We do also offer programs and memberships that'll allow for HVAC, electrical, plumbing inspections as well. But starting off on the day-to-day maintenance, it's going to be us coming out, taking the documentation, walking alongside the home, checking the roof inspections, every single inch of your home being documented down to the T, in compliance with the insurance standards and guidelines that are in currently nationwide, and just making sure that the home is prepared for any event that could happen.
And when something does happen, an emergency,
yes, ma'am,
you guys are available 24/7. How does this work for members?
Yes, ma'am. So there are multiple ways to reach us and contact us. One is our online forum. We have our website where you can actually reach out to us via email, but also we're very much about person-to-person contact. So whenever we reach out to you, we reach out to the homeowners, you sign up with us, there will be one person, point of contact that will be your point of contact within our company. And 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, they'll be available for you.
So it's really like having your own full-time maintenance crew
100%.
available to you.
At your beck and call.
And then how do you help, God forbid if there is a disaster?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you help someone who is a member of Allied One?
So, of course, non-preventable damages, they happen. Fires, floods, your natural disasters. In the event that something like that happens, the first thing is we work with the state-of-the-art system to be able to know prior to the loss, correct, of being able to go in there and say that this damage is going to happen. And then prior to that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to reach out. We're going to come and do an inspection. Post damages, whenever it is a disaster, we're going to come on out, be there the very day that it happens with our entire crew to be able to make sure that all the documentation is provided and ready for the insurance company to help expedite your claim process and get it from the point of contact, the damage happens, to being able to get us to the closing portion within 6 weeks.
Wow, so you can get back into your home faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, so really amazing products. I can't believe no one's doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and it's one of the things for us, working inside of the industry for as long as we have now, between me and my partner, we've got over 15 years of industry experience. And in that time, what we've seen is homeowners that aren't able to, one, get the response time that they need, being able to get back into their home as quickly as they need. And then on the emotional aspect of it, it's your friends, it's your family, it's everything that's being affected. And so for us, we feel like the best way to do that is to treat you as a friend, treat you as a family, and Houston is our home. And so for us, being able to go out there on a day-to-day and know that our neighbors, our friends, our family are taken care of, and they have all the preventative maintenance that's necessary to be able to know that at the end of the day, everything that they're investing their lives and their livelihood in, it's taken care of.
Whether it's a fire or water damage?
Fire, flood, electrical, hailstorm, tornado. You have a neighbor who has a kid that likes to play baseball, but he might not have the best arm. We'll be out there to take care of it.
All right, well, that sounds fantastic.
Yes,
oh, my goodness. And it gets better. You have a special for Houston Life viewers today.
Yes, ma'am. So anybody that goes and sees this and wants to sign up with us, we are doing 50% off for life. The entire life that you have the home, you reach out to us. We'll be able to discount that 50% because, again, it's all about taking care of Houston and making sure that everybody that is affected by anything like this, they've got all the support that they need.
Amazing. That is so wonderful. Thank you so much, Jordan. It's been so good to have you on the show.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations on the new company and
Thank you,
all the
guys.
best. And what a great deal. For more information, you can go to allied-one.com or call them 24 hours a day at 281 998 8770.